Wagwan, my lovely taquitos. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. So we have some scallops, some butterfly deveined shrimp, some regular whole shrimp, some lobster, and some fish. Yes, yummy. Yes, I don't know, it's about to go down, down, down. It's about to go down. This is good stuff, man. This is the, see how jiggle it be? Lots of collagen that in our bone marrow. That is the fish stock I made the other day. Well, if you want to see how I made this fish stock, just click this little pop-up link at the top now or after the video. And what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna put it in the pot. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that little ginger in there. I'm also gonna put the pumpkin in because I like to put them in all because I'm going to mash it out when it's cooked so it can give it that pumpkin color. And I'm gonna put a little bit of ground ginger, just a little bit like that. Yeah, so you're not really gonna taste the ginger in it. It's just going to give the seafood a clean flavor. Okay, cut the rawness. Ginger also cuts the fat from like pork and so forth. Okay, who's ready to mash some pumpkin? Instantly my water is becoming real rich. Okay, so I have some sweet potato and banana, some corn, some carrots, chow or chayote also, I don't know, and Irish. I don't have any dumpling because I'm not really a dumpling in a soup kind of person. I might have little spinach in some gungo soup and so, but yeah, that's just about it. Would I love piece of yellow yam, but I got none, so I'm gonna make do with what I got. Okay then, corn you go, and in you go. You might notice that I haven't put the seafood in there as yet, but yeah, I'm going to put the seafood in there last. That's why we're using a fish stock, and we went ahead and made it ahead of time because we need flavor, but we don't want to overcook our seafood. We need to have that seafood flavor, but we don't want to overcook our seafood. Okay, there's something you should know about me. No play by no rules. So we're gonna use our fish tea because it's seafood. We also gonna use our pumpkin for a little color, and if Maggie all purpose them nice, so we have to try a little of Maggie soup it up fish tea. And if tries dry pepper shrimp them nice, so and it's say having shrimp night, and we'll have shrimp in the soup and shrimp in this, we are gonna try some. And you know, good old faithful always gotta use the cock soup. So now we get into it. I don't know. Put little well, we put most of the cock soup because we like most of the cock soup. So we put most of the cock soup and most of the fish. And we're going with one of the pumpkin. Going with half a tablespoon of the Maggie soup top fish tea. And we're going to go in with the fish tea. The Grace fish tea. Certainly not least, we come in with the shrimp. And it smells like the dry shrimp, but I don't have. They're selling in the bar and thing. Yeah. This is my season up mix. And of course, you know, I'm going to dash it in at a pot like this because this is probably 2.5 packs. So you're just going to put it in it little at a time. Little at a time until you get the right amount of saltiness you want in it. Turns out I have a big pot and it needs more.
More pumpkin, more Grace fish tea, more muddy fish tea, more Grace cooked soup mix, and more of this.
So we have some Scotch bonnet, garlic, okra, and pimento and scallions and pimento. I crushed the pimento and I cut up the scallions because I want it like that. I would have loved a really yellow hot Scotch bonnet pepper, but I have that one day. I'm gonna have my yellow because I'm done. So I kind of put one little slit in there because it smells like sweet pepper. I don't know that spicy. I might have had some of the dried Scotch bonnet pepper. And just look at my pot. It's a bubble, it's a bubble, it's a bubble. Bubble, it's a bubble, it's a bubble. One spoon. So nice. So nice. And then, same time, I go come in with my seafood. Oops. Splash and dash and erase, let's see. And then, oh, my lobster itch on. I'm gonna break it up. Break it up, break it up, break it up. My God. This is to die for. But nobody did. Nobody did till I taste it. Oh, you're not gonna taste it. I bet. It's so yummy, man. It's so yummy. Wonderful. Smells good up in here, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. What me say you not fit do? Alright, I'm not frightened. But yeah, you not play with me. Don't play with me. Look at this. You need to be in here to smell it. You need to be in here to smell it.